This is really fun. It's quite a nice windy route along the railway. But I've got to keep back a bit for the dust in my eyes. Max says he's a novice, but he's really comfortable on the bike. And yeah, it seems like one can ride quite far along this railway. All the way to Piketberg and everywhere it seems. So I'd like to try that one day. But for the time being, exploring the railway along Piketberg. Come on.
This was the most nerve-wracking part. Watch to the end. I've got a little bit of a surprise for you. A short preview of one of my upcoming videos. So yeah, I hope you enjoy and thanks for watching.
We're going to Piketberg today. Meeting up with Max. Going to show around some gravel roads around Piketberg. And yeah, looking forward to it. It's about a 1 hour, 3 minutes drive. And I should be there by 8 o'clock, all goes well. I'm using Ineos and I'm hoping that will make a difference. So let's get the music started. Today is Friday, so in Release Radar, there's some new songs on Release Radar. Go.
It is about 6:30 in the morning. It was a Friday morning. I got up nice and early, but the sun was up way before me. I left for Malmesbury. I'm heading to Piketberg. I wanted to arrive in Piketberg by about 8 o'clock, so I stopped for fuel quickly in Malmesbury, and then I pushed on through. It was a really lovely morning. The skies were nice and clear. The sun was out. It wasn't too hot. And the roads, it was okay up until Malmesbury. But after Malmesbury on the N7, they were really busy. Not like hectic busy, but dangerously busy. The cars are overtaking at the most difficult places. So I'm arriving in Piketberg, and I've always ridden right through at this circle, carry on straight to Glen William. I've never turned actually into Piketberg. And so it was actually nice to come in here. Meeting up with Max and his wife. They were very friendly. They offered me some coffee. It was the first time meeting Max, and yeah, they went in for like a ride.
Like it?
Ek gaan die kant van die pad. Hoor aankom.
Is het?
Ja.
Ja, lekker.
Jy hoor aankom. Rian, jy is nog op petrol insit.
Dis reg. Ek volg vir jou.
So the plan for the morning was to head out towards Piketberg side. I'm not sure what the name is of the area. About an 8-kilometer loop, and then we turn around on the railway and head towards Piketberg. So Max just quickly took me up to the top here. It's a beautiful view. But the view is amazing. Just look at that. It's really pretty. It's beautiful. So yeah, here we go. I'm heading towards Piketberg, and from here on I'm going to let you just watch, enjoy the music, and if you have any suggestions, please comment below. Let me know where I can go to next. If there's anything interesting, anything you find that you like, I'd like your feedback. So yeah, let me know.
what's bound to happen.
Zit jy vas?
Ja, ek het my saaistand uitkry.
Hæ?
My saaistand, ek gaan uitskop.
Tire?
That was very unfortunate. Just a little bit of thick sand there in the bush. Ach, not in the bush, in the veld. As we turned around and it just gave way under my front wheel. So very silly. Luckily, I just put the bike down softly. And yeah, so we headed back the same route that we came. And then once we get back to the main road, we turned right. And then almost immediate left back onto the train track. And we headed towards Indicale from there onwards.
Ek sê hard op die tuine nog. This is really fun. It's quite a nice windy route along the railway. But I've got to keep back a bit for the dust in my eyes. Max says he's a novice, but he's really comfortable on the bike. And yeah, it seems like one can ride quite far along this railway. All the way to Veldrift and everywhere it seems. So I'll have to try that one day. But the time being, exploring the railway along Piketberg. Come on. It's gonna be fun. Oh, you didn't see that. I thought you saw that. Trying to get over the track was quite difficult. Bike's a bit heavy. And Max had to pull me over. So thank you for that. Why do they have to dirt you like this? Alright, we had a quick loo break and now we're headed towards Indicale direction, but a little bit further. Not all the way. And we come back and there's a pass up there on the mountain I want to ride. So hopefully we can go around there. I want to record that. I'm going to try and see if I can drive all the passes in the Western Cape at mountainpasses.southafrica.co.za. They have all the passes available. So you can just subscribe there, pay an annual fee. And then yeah, quite nice to be able to get all that info readily available. So then the aim is to write all of them, put them on a playlist on YouTube for you guys to have a look at, and also just for myself to get out a bit and explore a bit more, see new places, which will be fun and great. So yeah, lovely day today. What's the temperature? It is now 29 degrees, 29.5 degrees. So it's warm, it's hot when you stand still, but when you're riding it's all good. It's cool when riding. Just need to make sure the air is placed to get in. So yeah, somewhere is a little water crossing apparently. I'm quite curious to see how it's going to be, but we'll soon find out. I also want to be in the shade. You see her?
Ik moet dit weer toegemaakt worden.
The last time I went to the water crossing I went way too fast. Let's hope I don't go too slow. Hy water stink.
Lekker.
That was not too bad. That stinks. Holy moly. Probably all the cow manure. Alright, that was fun. Teeny bit of water. Daar ben je op afgereden. That was crazy. Oh, that was crazy. Sure. I was nipping there a bit. That was nerve-wracking. Can't stop, just have to give and get going. Sê weer?
Ons hier is gewoon hier gekom het. Dit is net met 'n graaf draai. Ja?
Sê weer?
Ek het uitgesluit.
Battery. Los draad.
Ja, dan moet jy los daar iets. Wat is dit nou?
I got a bit of a loose battery, or loose wire, loose like connection. It's making the bike cut off. It's just something cut out now while riding on the highway. Which sucks a bit. Electrical issues.
There, let's go there. Woo! There's two passes up there, Flashshot Pass, and then I think Piketberg is the area. I'm not sure the name of the pass, we'll find out.